morning to all. In the previous classes, we discussed the topic active and passive voice for all type of assertive sentences as well as imperative sentences. So today we are going to continue this topic with interrogative sentences. Okay, already interrogative sentences, present tense is finished. So the next one is past tense. In past tense, the first type past simple. Okay, past simple sentence which is interrogative has a structure following like this. See, did plus subject plus V1 plus object. For example, did she drink milk? For example, did she drink milk? This is a sentence which is of past simple type and this is interrogative sentence. Now, if the sentence is in simple past as well as if it is in interrogative, then how to convert this into passive voice? See here, while converting this type of sentences into passive voice, it follows this structure. See, what is the helping verb in past tense? It is was, were and had. Had is used for perfect tenses. Was, were for simple as well as continuous. Was, were plus here in place of did, while converting into passive voice, was, were plus and subject and object interchange their positions. See, in place of subject, object and there must be with the past participle verb form in passive voice. So after object with and then by plus in place of object we write subject. Okay, if this is a sentence, now just convert this into passive voice by following this structure. See, we use helping verb according to the object, whether it is singular or plural or third person singular, whatever it is. See here, milk is the object here. So milk is generally taken as collective noun, so it is singular. So we use was. Was after helping verb object. Object is milk here. So was milk. After object withered. What is the withered of drink? Drink, drank, drunk. So was milk. Drunk after withered by. What is an objective form of this subject? She. It is her. Was milk drunk by her. In the same way, let us take one more example. Did you call me? For example, this is also in simple past. So convert this according to the structure which is given here. So did you call me? Me is the singular, so we use was again. Was and subjective form of me is I. Was I after object withered. So what is the withered of call? It is called. Was I called next by. What is the subject here? You. So it is same by you. Question mark. Question mark is necessary. Okay. So like this we convert the sentences which are in simple past into passive voice. Okay. Now let us discuss the sentences which are in past continuous. Before that, just try to convert this into passive voice. Okay. Did he kill a lion? Convert this into past continuous. So everyone knows the structure of past continuous tense. Just in interrogative sentence, subject and helping verb changes its position and at last we have question mark. So was, were plus subject plus V1 ing plus object. This is the structure of interrogative past continuous sentences. Okay. Now while converting the structure which is in past continuous into passive voice, it follows the given structure. Was, were first helping verb plus as I already told you, subject and object interchange their positions, and remember this structure this structure just follows as it is while we are using in assertive sentences. See, was, were plus object plus, wherever if the sentence is in continuous form, while converting into passive voice we use being. Okay, was, were plus object plus being plus, after that V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, let us take one example now. Were they preparing food? Let us take this. Were they preparing food? This is a sentence, interrogative sentence, which is in the form of past continuous tense. So convert this into passive voice by using this structure. Now food is singular, so we use was. After helping more object, what is an object in the sentence? Food. So was food. After object we use being. So being. Next, method. What is the method of prepare? It is prepared. Was food being prepared by? Here they. What is an objective form of they? Is them. And question. So was food being prepared by them? In the same way, let us take one more example. Was he writing a letter? This is a sentence as it is like the before sentence. Was he writing a letter? Now convert this by using this structure. Now a letter is there, so it is singular, so we use was. Was a letter. After that being. What is the method form of write? It is written. Was a letter being written by him? Because there the subject is he and question mark. Okay, I will give you one sentence, just convert that into passive voice by following the structure. So wasn't she learning? Wasn't she learning music? Okay, convert that into passive voice the same way which we have converted the before sentences. There are two. And let us move to the next type of tense, that is past perfect. Okay. Okay, the next one is past perfect tense. Okay, here if the sentence is interrogative and if it is in the form of past perfect, then the structure of that particular tense is had plus subject plus V3 plus object. Okay, if you see this sentence, you need to convert. If you need to convert this into passive voice, you have to follow this structure. Okay, had plus object plus being plus method plus by plus subject and question mark. So look at this example now. Had Akbar punished the innocent people? So this is in form of interrogative past perfect. Now convert this by using this structure into passive voice. Now had, as it is, whether the object is plural, singular or third person singular, whatever it is, we use only the helping of had. Had, after had object. What is the object here? The innocent people. Had the innocent people, after object being. So had the innocent people been withered, punished by Akbar, because the subject is Akbar here. So try to convert this sentence into passive voice. Had you watered the plants? Okay, try to convert the same way which I have converted the previous example. Okay, let us move to the future tense, because past perfect continuous does not have passive voice. Okay, it cannot be converted into passive. So in future tense, first one is simple future. If the sentence is interrogative simple future, then it follows this structure: will or shall plus subject plus V1 plus object and question mark. So if the sentence is in this form, then passive voice structure will be will or shall plus object plus be plus we third plus by plus subject. Don't get confused. Just let us take one example now. Will he write a letter? Will he write a letter? So this is a sentence which is interrogative simple future. Okay. Now convert this into passive voice by using the structure given. See here, will or shall. Okay. Shall is used generally for the subjects I, we, and sometimes you also. Okay. Next, here what is an object? A letter. So we use we, will, after will, then object. Object is a letter. Will a letter, after object be. So will a letter be, what is the method of write? It is written. Will a letter be written by, what is the subject here? He. So what is an objective form of he? It is him. Will a letter be written by him? I'll give you one more example. Just try to convert that into passive voice. Will you call me? Okay. Will you call me? Now try to convert this into passive voice. Okay. Future perfect, because future continuous cannot be converted into passive voice, and if the sentence is in future perfect continuous, then also it cannot be converted into passive voice. So future perfect sentence, which is of interrogative sentence, has this structure: will or shall plus subject plus have plus V3 plus object. And this, if this is to be converted into passive voice, it follows this structure. See here, will or shall plus object in place of subject, and have converts as have been plus V third plus by plus subject. So let us take one example. Will you have played a game? Will you have played a game? So convert this into passive voice by using the structure. So what is an object here? A game. So we will take will according to the object. Will a game, after object have been. Okay. Will a game have been? What is the method of played? It is played only. So will a game have been played by you? Just I have written the sentence according to the structure. So this is our required passive voice. Okay, will a game have been played by you? So try to convert. I'll give you one example. Just try to convert this into passive voice. Okay. Will she have finished the work? Will she have finished the work? So write the passive voice as it is that I have written the previous example. Okay. Okay. Here are some examples. If you observe these examples carefully, these are of interrogative sentences type, and these are WH word type of questions. Okay. Now let us convert all these examples into passive voice. Okay. If it is WH word or any helping verb question type, but the structure should be followed the same. Okay. Just if you look at the first sentence, when does he help you? This is in form of simple present. So while we are converting simple present tense into passive voice, we use the helping verbs is, am, are. Everyone knows this, yes or no? So according to the object, we use whether it is, am, or are. Okay, when does he help you? So in WH word type of questions, the question word which is WH should start at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, when, what is an object here? You. So if object you is there, we use are. So when are, after helping verb object. When are you? And then we third of the given verb. When are you helped? After we third by and then subject. When are you helped by He means him we use here. Yes or no? So when are you helped by him? In the same way, look at the second sentence. It is in present continuous. How is he preparing tea? Okay. The same thing. How? After how? What is this? Tea. So this is an object. Which type of helping verb we use for this type of object? Because it is singular, so we use is. Okay. How is, and next after helping verb object. How is tea? It is continuous. Yes or no? So we use in continuous tenses while converting into passive voice. Being should be used. How is tea being after being withered? How is tea being withered of preparing is prepared? How is tea being prepared? Prepared by, what is the subject here? He. So it is him. How is tea being prepared by him? Okay. That's very simple. Don't get confused. Next one. Where has she found it? Okay. This is present perfect. In present perfect, if helping verb is has or have, it converts as has been or have been while we are converting into passive voice. Okay. Where has she found it? Where has, what is an object? It. So we use has. Where has it been found? Withered is same as it is found. Where has it been found? By her. By her. Okay. Next, when did you solve the puzzle? This is simple past. For simple past, we use the helping verbs was and were in passive voice. Okay, according to the object. Object is singular, so we use was. When did you solve the puzzle? So, when was the puzzle? When was the puzzle? After this, withered, solved by you. Okay? When was the puzzle solved by you? Okay, look at this sentence. This is a different type of sentence which is also a simple past, but here we are not using any did or plus V1. Directly it is V2. Who created this universe? If this type of sentences are there, we write the passive voice like see. Who converts as by whom. If you observe the question carefully, then you will understand. Who created this universe? By whom this universe? Otherwise, by whom was this universe created? Was this universe created? Because there is no proper subject given. Okay, that is why we use by whom was this universe created. Okay, there is no proper subject here in the sentence, so we just use by whom was this universe created. Okay, next, where can I find it? So if in the sentences, if you see these type of words, can, could, okay, may, might, and must, should. If these type of sentences are given in active voice, if you are converting them into passive voice, in place of all these sentences we use be. We just add be to the given phrases or auxiliary verbs. Okay, can be, could be, may be, might be, must be, should be. Okay, like that. See here, where can I find it? Next, if you are converting this into passive voice, where can I find it? Yes or no? So, where can it be? Where can it be? See here, can converts as can be. Okay, where can it be? What is that? Find. So, method of find is found. And what is the subject here? I. So, it converts as me. Where can it be found? By me. Okay, as simple as that. Next, what will you do? This is simple future. What will you do? So, what will be done by you? What will be done by you? Look at the last sentence. Why had you abused him? So this is past perfect. So while we are converting, had converts as had you. Why had you abused him? Why had he been abused by you? Okay? Why had he been abused by you? Yes, exactly. So if you look at the WH word sentences or any interrogative sentences, these sentences also follow the same structure, but you need to practice more and more exercises to get perfection and to know the perfect structure and all. Okay? In active and passive wise, in interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and assertive sentences, each and everything is important. And one more important rule is, if the verbs you see like this type of words, run, go, otherwise reach, etc. If you see in sentences these type of verbs, so these type of sentences do not have passive voice sentences. Okay, these type of words cannot be converted into passive. Okay, thank you. Practice more and more to get perfection. This is a very important grammar topic. I already told you several times. So you need to practice to get perfection. Okay, thank you.